Greetings, I'm Ryan from Inline, specializing in WordPress and WooCommerce. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about Inline Edit, which is an incredible feature of the WooCommerce bulk coupons editing plugin, and it actually helps store managers with editing any coupon fields directly from the table. To change any data in the table, its related column needs to be in the coupon table. So before trying to inline edit any field, it's necessary to use the column profile form to add your preferred columns to the table. In this tutorial, we're going to show you the power of our plugin for inline editing all kinds of data just by one click in the table. We have already added the columns to the coupon table. And for that, you need to check Select All in the column profile form and then click on Apply to Table. Alright, now let's change some values related to the displayed columns using Inline Edit. If you have already created some coupons in the WooCommerce, there are some fields with some default items, and you are only allowed to assign one of them to your coupon. For example, status. For this field, you need to choose one of the items and assign it to your preferred coupons. Now, the coupons are published, a draft, private, spending review, and trash. As you can see, a combo box including all possible options has been designed for the status field. So the only thing you have to do for inline editing in this file is click on the combo box in front of your preferred coupon and pick one of the items. Now, discount type is another field which can be inline edited the same way we just did in the coupon table. There are some other fields, for example, description, that you need to type a text which could be anything and assign it to your coupon. Here we have designed a simple text box. So to inline edit the text in those fields, just click on the cell and start typing. For example, here we add an email to the allowed email field of the first coupon in the table by inline editing. Inline editing coupon items is just as easy as other fields. We have products, used by, then we have used in, exclude products, which is right here, product categories, and exclude categories. Alright, to inline edit these fields, you just need to click on the button designed in the table to see a pop-up page. Like this one right here. And if you type a letter in the text box, all of the items such as products or categories will be listed, and you can assign as many items as you need to your preferred coupon by selecting those items from the list. And now click on Save Change button. One of the reasons that makes our plugin very popular is that it has a built-in calendar for picking dates easily and quickly. Now for inline editing any fields to which you need to assign a date in your coupon, whether it be coupon expiry date or published on, what you have to do is you have to click on this cell to see the calendar first, and that's it. Now for fields which you have to confirm or refuse a value, we have designed yes or no checkboxes in the text box. So for columns like allowed free shipping, individual use only, which you can see right here, or exclude sale items. What you need to do here is just check the yes or no checkbox. Now sometimes you need to edit some fields such as usage limit per user, and actually in these kinds of fields you need to assign a new amount or number to your coupons. So here we've designed a calculator for you so you can easily calculate those amounts. Here you can type any number or amount in the text box of those columns, or even use the up and down buttons in each cell to actually increase or decrease the amounts very quickly. The calculator is designed in the columns of the coupon table to make it very easier for store managers to inline edit. So there is usage count, we've got coupon amount, then usage limits per coupon, minimum maximum spend, usage limit per user, and usage limit to X items.